Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to find a broker on MetaTrader 5 mobile. Start by opening the MetaTrader 5 app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on Settings in the bottom right corner. Next, select New Account. You'll then see an option that says Enter Company or Server Name. Tap on it and type in your broker's name. For example, if your broker is IC Markets, simply enter IC Markets. This will display a list of all available IC Markets servers. Choose the server provided to you by your broker. These server details are usually sent via email or can be found inside your trading account. After selecting the server, enter your login and password to successfully log into your account on MetaTrader 5. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.